it's that time again. Time to change the oil. Shane's having a party in here. Happy New Year, baby. Let's get it going. All right, last oil change of 2022 going down right now. Probably check if I actually have oil. Oh, dude, we got the double decker. We are clean as a whistle right now. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh! This should do it, though. Look at this thing I just got. Woohoo! Race tech mechanic now, dude. All right, let's see how many kicks the bad girl will take this morning. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, that was it right there. Oh, God, falling over. All right, crack open a nice clean toolbox. Everything you need in this bad boy. Yeah, let's get to it. Here we go. See the damages today. Been getting to ride a little bit more, so getting more hours on the bike. So here we go. Moment of truth. Ooh. Yeah, I would say it was time for some new oil. Honestly, doesn't look that bad though. Looking good. Boom, bam, bop. Fill it up another time. And stop. Ooh, almost used up the whole thing. And then dump this bad boy in, call it good. Check the air filter. This thing looks brand new. We're ready to ride, baby. 2-stroke problems. All loaded up. No buzzers. Rider's lounge is a little crowded today. Windows a little fogged up. Ocotillo bound, baby. Ocotillo bound, baby. Baguette. Where's the baguette? Dude, Shane's back and better than ever. New boot goofing.
It is. No more hurt ankles.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We'll see what happens today. Still a little test run.
Try these size 13s on.
Size 13 on a size 10.5 foot.
Get some newspaper, roll them up in the toes.
We're more worried about him breaking ankles.
Oh, we made it out. Ocotillo Wells. Looking like it's gonna be a good day. It's a little windy right now, but never stopped us before, so we're gonna get all prepped up, gear up, and let's get to riding. Jesus Christ, bumpy as hell! First little hit. double, kind of a little fun. Low risk. A little windy on the scene today. These kids' tent's about to fly away. Got the windbreakers on. Still gonna ride. Launch. Oh! Woo! Yeah, I put on this jacket. I'm like sweating now. You only feel the wind when you're like going towards it. When you're going away, you don't really feel anything, but out like past pole line, kind of trying to find new things. Look at that. I think that guy's professional. Someone's having a bad day at work. Well, trip got cut a little short. Win some, you lose some. The wind picked up pretty bad, so decided to pack it up. But got a few clips, not too bad. So see what else we can get into.